Your roof is your first line of defense against South Florida's intense and unpredictable weather, but hidden damage may be developing beneath the surface. Today, we'll show you how professional roof restoration can extend your roof's life and save you thousands in the long run. This flat roof restoration process begins with a thorough inspection. We can see here this roof has some exponential granular loss and some pooling sections from low spots and improper pitch. Here we see the cap sheet is loose and lifting in some areas. There is also some exposed screws and transition flashing with improper slope to the flat roof. On the underside of this flat roof, we see substantial termite and water damage to the soffit. Left untreated, these issues lead to serious structural damage and costly repairs. We start by removing the existing roof coverings and plywood to expose the roof joists, allowing us to replace any compromised wood before installing new sheathing. With the old compromised wood finally removed, we've cleared the way for fresh plywood sheathing. To ensure structural integrity, every piece is custom cut for a glove-like fit. Next, we install a modified bitumen system. These are specialized restoration materials designed for South Florida's climate. These advanced layers seal cracks, create a waterproof barrier, and are engineered to withstand UV rays, reflect heat, and resist mold growth. With the roof system visible from the underside, aesthetics were key. We paired T111 sheathing with a copper drip edge to create a finish that's as beautiful as it is durable. This restored flat roof elevates the entire look of the home, giving it a fresh, high-end appearance. Not only does it look incredible, but it also extends the roof's lifespan, slashes energy costs, and protects your investment, all while adding serious value to your property. Don't wait until minor issues become major problems. Contact us today for your comprehensive roof inspection.